friends, for the most of us, getting into the habit of savings is a very difficult task. We are not consistent and disciplined. So I will share 6 tips with you today in today's video on building the habit of savings. So let's get down to work and simplify personal and family finances for each one of you. In the words of Warren Buffett, आप सबको पता होगा कि वॉरेन बफे इज वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड एंड ही इज अ लेजेंडरी इन्वेस्टर एंड ही सेज डू नॉट सेव व्हाट इज लेफ्ट आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग बट स्पेंड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट आफ्टर सेविंग एंड दैट इज वेयर our tip number 1 comes into the picture. Keep in mind that income minus savings should be your expenses. और उल्टा नहीं होना चाहिए जहां पे income minus expenses will be your saving. So once you have fixated this point number 1 or tip number 1 in your mind, the next critical tip is that you should keep 2 different accounts. One account for your expenses, which can be your salary account itself, and the other account should be for savings and investments. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक चीज बहुत ही critical है. Do not ever touch the account you have earmarked for savings or investments for any kind of expenses. Only your investments should go from this account. So great, now that you have created 2 different accounts, let us move to tip number 3. And tip number 3 is, once you receive your income, either the same day or the next day, transfer 20 to 30% to the earmarked investment account. If you are comfortable and the credit that you receive in your salary or your income account is predictable, I will strongly suggest कि ये जो ट्रांसफर है from this salary or expenses account to the investment account, इसको आप automate कीजिए. इसके साथ साथ you can also automate all the investments that you are going to make from your investment account to different investment avenues like mutual funds, stocks, RDs, etc. So wow, now these 3 tips are definitely going to take you at least 75 to 80% towards building the habit of savings. But the remaining 20 to 25% will be the deciding factor in whether you will be in a position to achieve all your financial life goals. The key to saving money is to spend less than you earn. इट मे साउंड वेरी इजी. आप सबको बहुत सिंपल लगेगा, अरे मैं तो जितना इनकम आ रहा है उससे तो कम ही स्पेंड करूंगा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट इज नॉट द केस टुडे, क्योंकि हम काफ़ी सारे कंजम्पशन आइटम्स के साथ खेल रहे हैं. वी आर कंज्यूमिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड वी आर एक्सपेंडिंग एंड स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन दीज थिंग्स. एंड हम फोटो निकालते हैं एंड वी पुट इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया. Okay, and I'm not saying that this is a bad thing, provided you stay within your means. If you start overdoing it, you will fall into what we call as a debt trap. आपके सर पे बहुत सारा लोन होगा, बहुत सारा debt होगा. So the idea here is, if you want to limit your spending and claim the power over your finances, it's usually a good idea to create a well-defined budget. And tip number 4, which is spend less than you earn, by creating a well-defined budget and tracking it regularly. You can watch my video on how I manage my money to know more and get a free Excel sheet on monthly expenses tracking and budgeting. Now that you have already taken the right steps towards building the habit of savings, the next best thing to do is to set SMART goals. So what does SMART goals mean? S stands for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable or achievable, R for realistic or relevant, and T for time bound. But why set these SMART goals? So let's take an example. आई एम श्योर यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आप सबने उबर ऐप यूज किया होगा या फिर कोई भी कैब या टैक्सी सर्विस यूज की होगी। नाउ जस्ट think about this. Let me ask you a question. What is the first question that the Uber app or the cab service guy asks you? अगर आप Uber app खोलोगे, the first thing that is asked is select your destination. अगर आप एक कैब ड्राइवर से पूछोगे तो the only thing and the first question that he will ask you is कहाँ जाना है. What this shows is that it is extremely critical to know your destination before you start your journey. And similar is the case with money, savings, investments. And if you do not have any idea या फिर आपके पास एक vague idea है about your financial life goals, it will make your financial life journey and achieving your financial life goals very difficult. And hence we come to tip number 5, which is you should set smart goals. अभी देखते हैं what exactly is a smart goal. So instead of saying I want to save or invest for my daughter's wedding or my child's education for my retirement, you should say something like this. I will save or invest 5,000 rupees in mutual funds every month for the next 10 years for my child's higher education in 2031. इनफैक्ट इसी गोल को आप और थोड़ा सा ब्रेक डाउन भी कर सकते हो, जैसे कि हायर एजुकेशन मतलब क्या, ओवरसीज एजुकेशन हो सकता है, डोमेस्टिक एजुकेशन हो सकता है, एटसेट्रा. नाउ व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इज नॉट ओनली हैव यू गॉट योरसेल्फ अ गोल, बट नाउ यू हैव अ प्लान, अ टाइम फ्रेम एंड द पॉसिबिलिटी टू ट्रैक योर प्रोग्रेस. फाइनली टिप नंबर 6 इज ट्रैक योर सेविंग्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स through a specific process and regularly, maybe twice a year or once a year. And why should you do this? Because if there are any deviations from the actual plans, they can be handled optimally and changes as required can be made. Please understand, आपका life dynamic है nature में, हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ changes होते रहता है. Every year there is some change, and that is where your financial life goals are also dynamic in nature, and they keep changing every day throughout your lifetime. And now I'll come to the bonus tip for each one of you. That is, always think long term. और जब मैं long term बोल रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब ये है anywhere from 5 to 7 years and beyond. And the second bonus tip is invest in avenues which have the power to beat the inflation monster. And finally, मैं आपको एक thought के साथ बताऊंगा और एक calculation बताऊंगा, so that this is a very interesting calculation. Okay, so that you start thinking. The first thing is, if you save and invest a small amount of 5,000 rupees every month for the next 40 years, and this money is invested at 15% annual returns, you will have a corpus or a fund at the end of 40 years, just hold your breath, of 15 crore Indian rupees. Isn't that amazing? That's great. I hope this video was very useful for each one of you, and you will immediately take action and get into the habit of savings by following these tips, and in turn achieve all your financial life goals. If you found this to be an interesting video, like, comment and share with your near and dear ones, and as many people as possible, and be a part of my mission to create financial awareness for more than 1 lakh families by 2030. Have a great day. Bye.